Okay, we each need to pick a card, see what our order is. That's the order that we need to grab them in. Don't use anything but your spatula. And race it over there. Go. Make sure you keep stacking up on the same plate. Gotta stay out of the way, bud.
I win. I win.